Hello, William. How are you? My name is Viviana, and welcome to this video. I actually wanted to thank you for reaching out to me. And I just want to share this video with you just to show you how can you increase your online presence, driving more traffic to your website and attract more customers. So let's get into this. First, let's have a look at your content. So this is your website. And I like that you have the click to call buttons and the email address here. I like this story. I really like this story about how you started the business and different pictures and testimonials about your company. One thing that you can do, and that Google actually likes to see, let me just show you, is what we call content. And content is anything. It can be text, videos, or images. So right now, your website has 388 words, and your competitors, A1 Garage Door, they have 2,324 words on the Tucson landing page, and Kaiser, they have, let me just do this very quickly, 1,239 words, and they are ranking in the top positions for the Google search. So it's not only about having more content, but also having more and more relevant content targeting specific keywords so that Google can find you and can give you those higher positions. So let me show you how to do that. So right now here I'm in Google. I type in garage door repair Tucson, which is a buyer intent keyword. And a buyer intent keyword is anything that someone types in when they want to buy a product or a service. And the first thing that you're going to see here is the ads. And the ads are good because they are good at driving traffic, but they can be very expensive. And also, some people have the ability to turn them off in their browser, so they just skip them altogether. Another important feature of Google is the Google Map Packs, and they are good at driving traffic because they drive 40% of the traffic. So it's important to rank at the top or in the top 3 positions. To rank at the top, you need 3 things. You need more pictures, geotag pictures, you need reviews, and you need citations. And a citation is anywhere your business is listed on any directory, such as Yelp, Facebook, Yellow Pages, all of those. The important thing is that the details on those directories need to match those on your Google Business Profile so that Google can verify you and can give you those top positions. Now, the third section is the organic search. So in here is where I found your competitors, A1 Garage, and I skipped the directories, and the second one is Kaiser Garage. To rank at the top of the organic search, you need first to be found by Google in terms of content, but also something that we call backlinks. And we use a tool called Ahrefs to analyze the back end of the websites. So right now you have 11 backlinks in 4 referring domains. Basically 11 links on 4 external websites directing traffic to your website. Let's have a look at your competitors. A1 Garage, they have 375 backlinks in 56 referring domains. And Kaiser, they have 349 backlinks in 83 referring domains. So that's something that you need to work on, is building those backlinks, and ideally having those backlinks in powerful websites, or having powerful backlinks. And what I mean by that is that you need to have them in websites that are relevant to your industry and to the services that you provide, because Google has algorithms, and once it identifies this, it can give you rank you up higher for this. Now, in terms of the organic keywords, this tool is only a tool, but it's saying that you are not being ranked for any organic keyword. Let's have a look at A1 Garage Door. So A1 Garage Door, and I just filtered this by Tucson because those are the buyer intent keywords. So this dashboard is showing me that these are the keywords that they are being ranked for. The volume is the number of times this keyword is searched per month. And this is the position in which they are appearing in the Google search. So anything beyond the 10th position means that that particular website for a particular keyword is on the second page of Google. In this case, these guys are ranking in the first or second position for all of these buyer intent keywords. So this means that for this particular keyword, they were in front of 1,800 people. And because of that, it's saying that they were able to drive 603 visits to their website. So have a look at Kaiser. Kaiser, similar story. They are targeting garage door repair Tucson, Tucson garage door repair, garage door Tucson. So the important message here is that you want to target these keywords and include these keywords in the content of your website, because the objective is to be in front of more people more and more often, that your website is in front of more people more and more often, because then a percentage of those people are going to click on the link that is going to take them to your website, and then a percentage of those are going to reach out to you, and depending on your closing rate, you're going to be able to land more customers and converting them to customers and increasing your revenue. So basically, if you're able to generate more traffic, you are able to generate more revenue and grow your business. And those are the tips that I wanted to share with you, William. You can implement them on your own. The only thing that I ask in return is your feedback. And thank you so much for watching. My details are at the bottom of the email. Thank you so much. Have a nice day. Bye bye.